The question reads, simplify the equation 4x squared minus 9 divided by 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. We are going to begin by looking at the numerator. Our numerator is 4x squared minus 9. Remember, this is a product of two squares. If you look at both parts of the equation, of the expression I mean, you realize that they have direct square roots. So if you take the square root of 4x squared, you'll get 2x. Then of course the square root of 9 will give us 3. But since the square root of a number is plus or minus, we are going to have a plus here. Then we introduce another bracket, which is 2x minus 3, for us to have done it correctly. Then we move to the denominator. Our denominator is quadratic in nature. We have 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. We are going to solve it using product sum method, and therefore we look for the product, which is obtained by taking the coefficient of x squared multiplied by the constant, which is 6 now. Then the sum is always equal to the coefficient of the linear term, which is 5. We need to look for two numbers whose product is 6, and the same numbers will give us a sum of 5, and the two numbers are simply 3 and 2. Having gotten the numbers, we come down and write the expression, that is 2x squared. Instead of the linear term, we use the two numbers. That is, we are going to have 3, but of course x plus 2x, such that 3x plus 2x will give us 5, then lastly plus 3. From there now we can factorize them in pairs. Between 2x squared and 3x, which one is common? You realize that x is common on both ends. Then we multiply by 2x plus 3, such that whenever you multiply back, you are able to get the pair. Having gotten 2x plus 3, we move to this other pair. Then we look at what is common between the two. You realize 1 can divide 2, it can also divide 3. Then we multiply by 2x plus 3. Having done that, we can now combine the two parts. Remember, x and 1 are outside, so we combine them. We have x and 1, but since 1 is positive, we connect it using a plus sign. The brackets are the same. We pick 1, and therefore we have 2x plus 3. Having done that very well, we can now go back and combine the numerator and the denominator. In this case, our numerator simplified to 2x plus 3 into 2x minus 3. We divide by x plus 1 multiplied by, we have 2x plus 3. You realize 2x plus 3 is common, therefore we cancel the 2, and the final answer is going to be 2x minus 3 divided by x plus 1. Thank you for watching, and welcome to our discussions. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two and click the subscribe button, so that anytime we produce a video like this, you'll automatically be given a notification.